The Concorde was British French supersonic passenger airline that operated from 1976 to 2003. It was known for its speed crossing the Atlantic in under 3.5 hours and its luxury amenities, but also for its high operating cost and environmental impact. It could fly at Mach 2, twice the speed of sound, reaching speed of over 2170 km per hour and altitude of the up to 60,000 feet. Concorde speed allowed it to complete transatlantic flight in significantly less time than conventional subsonic aircraft, then cutting travel time in half. It's entered commercial service in 1976 with Air France and British Airways primarily service route across the Atlantic. The Concorde was known for its distinctive delta wings design, its drop nose for better visibility during takeoff and landing, and its powerful engines. Concorde represented a milestone in aviation technology and offered a unique travel experience, but its high operating cost and environmental impact ultimately led to its retirement. Why was the Concorde banned? Its aircraft noise and operating expense limited its service. Financial losses led both airlines to cut routes, eventually leaving in New York City as their only regular destination. The Concorde operations were finally cased by Air France in May 2003 and by British Airways in October 2003. What made a journey on Concorde so special? Flying faster than the rotation of Earth, Concorde could pick up passengers from London at breakfast time and transport them to New York well before breakfast US time the same day. Such speed did not come cheap through a transatlantic flight required the high maintenance aircraft to globe jet fuel at the rate of 1 ton per seat, and the average round trip price was $12,000. There are some reports that the Concorde could fly again in 2026. Will it happen? No. Concorde have been represented since they stopped flying in 2003 in various states. Of the 20 aircraft built, 18 remain with 16 on display the public. Destroyed in air crash on 20 July 2000, the remains of this aircraft are stored at the hangars at Lee Bourget Airport on display at Manchester Airport, England, UK. Surprisingly, Concorde pilots were paid the same salary as commercial line pilots at British Airways and Air France. Concorde pilots at British Airways have same salary as an mainline pilot flying any aircraft. There is salary scales depend on length of service. The cruising speed 2170 kilometers per hour and altitude 60,000 feet. Most personalities were flying the Concorde for the first time. Passengers were satisfied with the Concorde, found it comfortable, and were able to perform a variety of activity in flight. The Concorde carry about 1,19,500 liters and burn about 25,629 liters per hour in the air, but fuel is not just for flying. The Concorde carry 4 times more fuel than a jumbo jet like the Boeing 777 carry nearly 500 passengers, and Concorde only just carry 100 passengers and are round trip tickets $20,000 in today's money. Concorde so fast. Concorde 4 turbo engine were twice as powerful as engine on large subsonic jet mounted in Paris under the wings. Each engine could provide more than 3800 lbs of thrust, accelerating the plane from 0 to 225 mile per hour in only 30 seconds. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.